When the owl wakes up, it's nighttime. He goes, he plays in the light. Oh, it's morning time. The owls wake up. All the owls, 3 owls wake up. Then they start to sing. Wow, I think we better wake Mr. Owl up. Yeah, come on. Mr. Owl! I can't wake Mr. Owl up. It's too small in there.
Hey, Miss Bunny, do you what? We should be friendly. Well, you know what? I eat bunnies. No. Well, I'll just get a little bigger so I can eat you. Huh? Wow! Well, that was a quick fight.
Ooh, pretty.
Do you see it, Emma? It's getting bigger, bigger. Ah!
Which craft was your favorite from the Green Kids crafts?
The owl and the puppets.
The owl and the puppets?
Mm-hmm.
Me too.